Hello, Dentist Cowie. Today's patient is Lisa. Look at those dirty teeth. Let's clean Lisa's teeth. Well done. Check Lisa's mouth with the Tooth-tastic. Oh no, this tooth needs sparkling. We need to fill the... Well done! Put the braces on Lisa's teeth. Sparkling! Thank you, Dentist Cowie.